I've got myself an HKS High Power Silent catback exhaust, and this was on my car when I got it, and it's probably like 15 years old. I roughed up the entire thing with Scotch-Brite and dishwasher soap because it was just covered in like black soot, and you can even see that it was stainless steel anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and take some wheel polish to it and see what I can do. And then there was a little bit of rust and stuff, so I sanded the rust down and put zinc coating on it. And so it's looking pretty nice. Build quality looks good. Nice big thick flanges. And then this has the resonator that has they put like insulation or something in there to help keep it quiet. So it's high flow, but it's only like 3 decibels louder than stock. So it's pretty impressive. So let's polish it up and see what it looks like. Put it back on the car. And that's the gasket there. So you can see it's definitely a little bit older. Alright, I got my mother's polish and I've got my drill, and I've already wiped this all down by hand. Now I'm going to go over it and try to buff it out to get those scratches off of it. Alright, I'm pretty happy with this. This is all polished here. Reflection in it's pretty good. A little bit of minor scuffs in it, which I'll leave those there, versus this side has not been done, so you can see the difference in the haze, and my face isn't really there. So get this polished and get it put on. And you can see the thickness of the piping here. So it's a pretty thick gauge. Nice welds. Nice big exhaust. I can put my whole hand in it. Alright, both of those are done and blinging. Looking sexy again. Alright, and as far as the center pipe, I took this outside and stood right in the line of sight of the sun. And this pipe does go straight through. This is just basically a giant resonator, but the pipe goes straight through with no restriction. Alright, so I went ahead and scrubbed down the area where the exhaust was sitting that was rusty with some Scotch-Brite and some dish soap, and scrubbed all the rust off the surface rust off of the sheet metal, and treated it with some VHT metal rust converter. I'm going to prime it and then paint it and undercoat it. So I'm going to do this whole area all up around in here, all the way around. Alright, I've got that underside of the vehicle primed, and it's been curing for 3 days. And now I'm going to paint this area, and I've got the heat shield off to the powder coater. All the way around over here too. Alright, here's a look at the underbody. I got everything painted, and I'm going to just spray some quick undercoat on this as well. So that's all treated, got rid of all that rust that was back in that area there, and all the way along this whole area over here is all painted and ready to go. Undercoat, and then I can put the exhaust and everything back on back here. Alright, getting ready to replace the rubber exhaust hangers on here. I ordered these from Amazon. See, the old ones are kind of starting to crack and dry out. Some of them are real bad, but these ones are pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead and slip these on. I've already set the muffler up and in here. So I've got the exhaust hangers were powder coated. I did the heat shielding, had that all powder coated and sandblasted all the way around here. And I've already got the exhaust hanger connected here. So we're ready to connect the center pipe up to the where the catalytic converter would be, except I've got a test pipe on there. So yeah, HKS Jasma certified high power silent exhaust. Fits nice, looks good. Let's get the rear piece connected and get this job done. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you liked this video of my exhaust, and as far as getting it prepped up and as far as the quality and stuff, give me a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.